Probiotics are live, beneficial bacteria that improve your gut health. They work from the inside out, supporting digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. Once swallowed, probiotics travel down the esophagus toward the stomach. Their protective shells keep them safe from harsh gastric acids. Many probiotics are designed to resist stomach acid. This ensures that they reach your intestines alive, where they can actually do their job. In the small intestine, probiotic capsules open up and release billions of friendly bacteria, ready to colonize and protect. These bacteria latch onto the gut lining, forming colonies that support digestion, strengthen immunity, and balance your gut flora. Your gut is home to trillions of microbes. Together, they form the microbiome, a living ecosystem vital to your health. When bad bacteria try to invade, probiotics fight back, outcompeting them, producing acids and defending your digestive tract. Probiotics produce compounds that seal up tiny gaps in the gut wall, reducing inflammation and preventing harmful particles from leaking through. Around 70% of your immune system lives in the gut. Probiotics help train immune cells and boost your body's natural defenses. With a healthy gut, food breaks down efficiently. Probiotics enhance enzyme activity and help your body absorb vital nutrients better. Your gut talks to your brain through the vagus nerve. Probiotics help balance signals influencing mood, cognition, and mental health. By supporting serotonin production, probiotics may reduce anxiety and depression, calming your mind by healing your gut. Probiotics help suppress inflammatory markers and soothe irritated tissues, bringing relief to those with gut disorders like IBS or IBD. Antibiotics wipe out both good and bad bacteria. Probiotics help restore balance, repopulating the gut after antibiotic use. Probiotics reduce gas buildup by breaking down fermentable carbs, relieving bloating, and promoting smoother digestion. Certain probiotic strains reduce the duration and severity of diarrhea, especially traveler's diarrhea or antibiotic-associated cases. By improving gut motility and water balance, probiotics can help regulate bowel movements and ease constipation. A balanced gut leads to clearer skin. Probiotics reduce inflammation and improve nutrient flow that reflects in your complexion. Probiotics help regulate immune response and may ease the symptoms of food allergies and lactose intolerance. Different strains have unique benefits. Lactobacillus aids digestion, Bifidobacterium boosts immunity, and Saccharomyces fights yeast. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are natural sources of probiotics, delicious and healing. Probiotics need food to survive. Prebiotics, like fiber from garlic and bananas, nourish them and help them thrive. Poor diet, stress, and alcohol damage your gut flora. Exercise, sleep, and whole foods restore and protect it. Microbiome testing can help personalize your probiotic intake, tailoring strains that suit your unique gut profile. With consistent use, probiotics heal your gut gradually, improving digestion, immunity, and energy week by week. Compare before and after gut scans. Watch as bacterial diversity increases and your digestive health is visibly restored. Probiotics are tiny allies with a powerful impact. Nurture your gut daily, and your whole body will thank you.